What's up guys, Z here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you my abandoned Dodge Charger RT. I had it for about 7-8 years maybe, but I had an issue with it for the past 2-3 years. Pretty much hasn't been driving, it's just sitting outside collecting dust. There is a white smoke coming out of the tailpipes, so I hope it's nothing big or like I had to replace the whole engine. But that's why I have it here on video. You guys can help me out, figure out what the issue is. I am mechanically inclined, but not that much. Like I don't have an engine hoist here. It's just a small garage here, you know. So I can do like main stuff. I have some tools, nothing big though. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. So here it is, guys. So first issue I need to fix is the exhaust. It's very loose. Bumper needs a full repaint. Also the side doors here, someone scratched it all the way from the back to the front, and he also broke both of these, but I already replaced them. Drag radials running flat pretty much. Front tires, seen better days. Here's the front. I have a carbon fiber splitter. I took it off to fix it. Let's take a look at the engine. Here it is. Looks pretty stock right now. I did used to have a cold air intake. I took it out. I was planning on selling this car, but I changed my mind, you know. How could you sell your first love? Just kidding. Have a nitrous outlet system here. I used to have a plate system. I took that out as well. I used to have some blings here and there. Blings, like red blings here and there. Looks like there's an animal living here. What is that? Yeah. Anyway, I do have a bigger camshaft, comp cam, long tube headers. No, you guys can see it. It does have a aftermarket transmission and a torque converter as well. I also forgot to mention I do have nitrous 100 shot. And no, that's not the reason why white smoke is coming out. I've been running nitrous for almost 2 years with no issues. It's very safely tuned with nitrous, and it's a safe car. So here's the interior of the car. Right now it looks stock because I put everything back pretty much stock. Has the stock seats. I did used to have it all gutted out, but I think I'll keep the stock seat. I do have racing seats. They're not comfortable. They sit really low, so I think I'll just keep these. Have the Pharaoh's eyes here because I'm Egyptian. I'm proud. Nitrous buttons here, and the nitrous is right there. All right, guys. Here are some pieces that I took off already. I have the front carbon fiber splitter. It is nasty. It needs a polish and a wash, obviously. I'm a mobile detailer, so that's easy for me. I have the racing seats. They are nice seats. They just sit too low. I'm 6'4", and I'm still like sinking a little bit. They do have, I think, like an extension to raise it up, but I'll just stay with the stock ones because they're electric and it's better. Cold air intake, catch can. I have this for the air fuel ratio gauge and a nitrous gauge. Back seats, and I don't have cats, so here are the cats. O2 sensor, and I think that's pretty much it, honestly. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Here are the keys as well. I wouldn't know which button unlocks it.